everyone, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna tell you about kidneys and associated structures. So human body has two dark brown bean shaped kidneys in the abdominal region, one on either side of a vertebral column. Like you can see that there are two dark brown bean shaped kidneys in the abdominal region, and the right kidney is little lower than the left one. The outer surface of kidney is convex while the inner surface of kidney is concave, and the structures like renal vein, renal artery and whatever else, these are the structures that are attached with kidney. These help kidneys to break down the food and make the urine and like nitrogenous waste matter from these tubes are go outside. So the tube which arises from each kidney and enters the urinary bladder is called ureter. Ureter carry urine from each kidney to urinary bladder, and urinary bladder is a sac which collects urine from both ureters, and the urethra is a fine tube through which urine is released from urinary bladder to the outside. These are the structures of kidneys, and kidney plays a very important role in the breakdown of food, to do breakdown of food and digesting the food and make the urine and nitrogenous matter. And you can see that these are the ureters which carry urine from right kidney and left kidney to urinary bladder. Where the urine is made in these kidneys. These kidneys have the nephron, which have two parts, renal corpuscle and renal tubule. I will briefly tell you about in my next video. If you want to know about renal corpuscle and renal tubule in detail, tell me in comment box. Nephron, in the nephron the urine is made, and nephron are present in renal medulla of kidney. Alright. And I will also tell you about internal structure of kidney. Kidney is divided into three structures: renal cortex, renal medulla and renal pelvis. These are the structure of kidney. So I hope you understood about kidneys and associated structures. Now I'll tell you about internal structure of kidney. Like किडनी का जो इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर है वो कैसा होता है. तो आपको पता चल गया होगा किडनीज के जो एसोसिएटेड स्ट्रक्चर जो उससे हेल्प करने में काम देते हैं वो हैं, these are renal vein, renal artery, right kidney, left kidney and ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. These are the parts of a kidney which help kidney to make nitrogenous waste matter and also to make urine to transport to urethra, and from urethra the urine is drained outside. Alright. So now I explain you about kidneys and associated structures. Now I explain you about internal structure of kidney. Yeah, this is the internal structure of kidney. If we cut the kidney into two parts, the internal structure will show very clearly that the outer surface of kidney is known as renal cortex, and the outside part of renal cortex is convex and the inner part of renal cortex is concave. You can see that there are in the middle region which is divided into conical masses called renal pyramids, and the renal pyramids of these conical masses is known as renal medulla, and the tubes which are shown in the diagram are renal pelvis, and renal pelvis plays an important role. First of all, it is an inner area where urine is drained. The urine from renal pelvis move into ureter. Yeah, not from kidney but from renal pelvis is the inner area where urine is drained, and the urine from renal pelvis is moved into ureter. Thank you for watching. Hope you like my video and give a thumbs up. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all.